Today's topic is machine and mechanism. In machine and mechanism, we learn slip of belt, definition, why it occurs, advantages, disadvantages, formula, and one numerical. Definition of slip of belt. The motion of belt and the shaft assuming a firm frictional grip between the belt and the shaft. But sometimes the grip, the frictional grip becomes insufficient. This may cause some forward motion of belt drive without carrying the belt with it. This may also cause some forward motion of the belt without carrying the driven pulley with it. This is called as slip of belt. It is generally expressed as percentage and denoted by small s. Why it occurs? We know a belt used in machines doesn't hold tightly. Sometimes the belt we use in machines for transmitting power doesn't hold tight. Okay, enough on the wheel or pulley, it's supposed to turn. This can cause the machines to work less effectively or not at all. It can happen if the belt is too loose, worn out, or if there is too much weight for its handling. First case is given is when it is too loose. Second condition is given when it is warm out, means very hot, very means very energy is generated during or heat generating during the work. And third condition is too much weight for the handler. So next slide. Advantages. uh, while slip of belt is generally seen as a problem in mechanical system, there are a few potential advantages. First is protection against overload. Second one, reduce wear and tear. Third, adjustable tension. Fourth, energy efficiency. And fifth is smooth operation. Second, disadvantages of slip of belt: reduce efficiency, loss of power, increase wear, and heat generation. Formulas. In this diagram, we see one driver pulley is connected to second driven pulley on line shaft, which have two pulleys. First pulley is a driver pulley, second pulley is a driver pulley, and third first driver pulley is connected. First driver pulley is connected to second driven pulley, which on a line shaft. On line shaft, we see third pulley, third driver pulley, which is connected to fourth driven pulley. What is the velocity formula or velocity ratio formula? That is equals to n2 divided by n1 into n4 divided by n3 equals to d1 divided by d2 into d3 divided by d4. So what is the n2? N2 is speed of pulley of second second pulley, speed of pulley second in rpm. So we know the velocity formula well. So go to next slide, that is a slip formula. Let s1 percentile equals to slip between the driver and the belt. S2 percentile slip between the belt and the follower, slip between the belt and the follower. When there is a no slip, when there is a no slip between the pulley and the belt, what was the formula? What was the formula? N4 divided by N1 equals to D1 into D3 divided by d2 into d4. When there is a slip, what was the changes in formula, above formula? There is small changes, that is equal, we add s1, 1 minus s1 divided by 100. Why divided by 100? Because the slip of percentile is, when the given slip is given, the slip is given in percentage, so we convert percentage into decimal form. Okay, so next slide, one numerical on it. A engine running at 150 rpm drives a line shaft by means of a belt. The engine pulley is 750 diameter, and the pulley on the line shaft being 450 a 900 diameter pulley on a line shaft drives a 150 diameter pulley. Speed to dynamo shaft. Find speed of dynamo shaft when there is a no slip. First condition, there is a no slip. Second condition, there is a slip of 2% at each drive. In above numerical, what was the given? D1 is given, that is a engine shaft diameter. Second one, line shaft, which contain, on which line shaft there are two drives. First drive is a D. First drive is a D2, and third drive is a D3. And D3 is connected to dynamo shaft, that is a D4. So what is was given? N1 is given, means 150 rpm. Speed of D1 drive 1 is given. We have to find out speed of dynamometer, means N4 we have to find speed of uh, drive 4. When there is a no slip, we use a formula, that is equals to n4 divided by n1 equals to d1 into d3 divided by d2 into d4. N4 we have to find out, so n1 is given 150 equals to d1 is given 750, d3 is given 900 divided by 450, that is nothing but d2. D4 is given 150, that is equals to 10. 150 is divided by n4, that is goes to right hand side and multiply by 10, and that is equals to 1500 rpm. When there is a no slip, n4 equals to dynamo shaft speed equals to 1500 rpm when there is a 2% of slip. N4 is we have to find out, there means a dynamo shaft speed. N1 is given 150, 700, D1 is given, D3 is given, D2 and D4. So S1 is 2%. So 1 minus 2 divided by 100, why 100 divided by 100? Because the percentage is given, we have to convert percentage into decimal form. So we solve and calculate. So in equals to right hand side, we calculate and give 9.6 answer. So n4 divided by 150 equals to 9.6. So 150 is multiplied by 9.6, and n4 equals to 1440 rpm. Okay, so we see a difference between dynamo shaft speed when there is a slip and when there is a only 2% of slip. Okay, so there is a any query or any you have question in this PPT, tell me in comment section. Also like, share this video. Thank you for listening me carefully and give me your best time.